One roof, one plan, one path to the Ivy League. For high-achieving students, ambition is not the problem. Scattered learning is. Busy students juggle coding, design, research, competitions, SAT preparation, and profile building. Parents want to give every opportunity to their children. But every skill requires a different platform, mentor, and institute, leading to wasted time and money and learners stuck at learning instead of implementing. EduQuest AppTech Learning Partnership. Bringing the world's most powerful academic, technical, and profile building ecosystem under one roof. Beyond theory, real skills to Ivy-ready achievements. Every AppTech certification is globally recognized. Every skill turns into real projects guided by expert mentors. Knowledge turns into action, action into achievement, and achievement into an Ivy-ready profile. Students don't just learn skills, they build outcomes. They don't just collect certificates, they build a spike. They don't just prepare for admissions, they create an Ivy-ready identity. EduQuest AppTech is one mentor, one ecosystem, and one path to the Ivy League and beyond. EduQuest AppTech, your journey to the top, simplified. Book a counseling session today.